It's clear that autumn is here. The days are getting colder, leaves are changing color, falling from trees, and squirrels are busy collecting nuts for the winter season. Everywhere you look right now, there's leaves all over the ground. But what can we do with all these leaves? Well, today we're going to use them to make some art. Go outside and grab a few leaves that you find beautiful. Make sure they're nice and flat, as this will help make the project a little easier. If they're still a bit wet, we can do what we did with plant pressing in the spring to dry them out. Place them between some newspapers and put some weights on top for a day or two. Once the leaves are all dry, let's take a look at what we've got. Wow, look at all these beautiful colors we get in the dried leaves. Lay out your leaf palette and let's get ready to design. The materials you'll need for this activity are a pair of scissors and a piece of clear contact paper. This is a material that can be bought at any department store or home improvement center for about $5. Open up the contact paper and cut out a piece that'll fit perfectly in your window. Most of them have a nice grid on the back that you can use to make your cut perfect. From being rolled up, the paper might not lay flat, so you might need to use some weights to hold it down. Next, just take some leaves and design what you think would make a beautiful piece of stained glass art. You can get creative and make anything you want. You can design an animal, a cool pattern. The options are limitless. Once you've got your perfect design, move it to the side and get ready to take the paper back off the adhesive contact paper. Carefully peel the paper off, trying not to get the sticky part on your hands. And then get ready to stick the leaves onto the contact paper. Lay them down gently and then press them into place. It might look like I'm just working on the floor here, but I swear there's some contact paper here. Once you've got your design all figured out, it's time to place it on the window. Gently lift up the contact paper and then place the sticky side towards the window. Make sure you press down firmly and remove any air bubbles. And just like that, your stained glass is complete. Look at all the beautiful colors coming through the sun. This is a nice, easy craft that can add some natural beauty to your house in the day and at nighttime as well. Well, we hope you'll be busy as a squirrel doing this craft over the next little while. We can't wait to see what you've made. From all of us at Rare, thanks, and we hope to see you soon.